I'm going to show you how you can confirm if your SCULM certificate is original or not. I'm doing this because of our client, and if you want us to register a SCULM certificate for you, you can also confirm it here after we have delivered your work. So once you have your SCULM certificate, I have one here that I want to confirm this morning. So I will just open it on my WhatsApp and I will copy it, then I will go and confirm it. So I have one I want to confirm now. So once you have your SCULM certificate, what you can do to confirm is to go to the SCULM website. But before you can go to the SCULM website, make sure that you copy a number from your certificate. Make sure you copy a number. Make sure you copy a number from your certificate. It is that number that you are going to use to confirm if your SCULM is really registered or not. So what you are going to copy, you are going to zoom your certificate and copy this number. Make sure you copy this number. This number will help you to confirm. So after copying the number, you have to go to your Chrome browser. You open your Chrome browser or any other browser you are using, and go to SCULM website. So you open your browser, and go to SCULM website to confirm it. So this is SCULM. I've confirmed this one, but let me go back and show you how I confirm it. So I'll go back to the main portal to show you how you can easily do that. So you just have to go to SCULM website. Just type the SCULM. This is their SCULM, SCULM.org. So you can see now, you just go to their website. This is their website. So if you are loading your own and it's not showing like this, I will advise you to change it to desktop version. Desktop version will help you to see all the navigation widget that is by the side here. Because if you change it to mobile, it will not show. Let me change it back. So if you want to change your phone to desktop, this is how you can do it. You just come to the icon, you click on desktop side. If I change it to mobile, it will not show. See? Let's change it and see what will happen. You see now? I'm not seeing all those sidebar, but if you still want to check it from here, you can just click here. You see it now? You can use this side, but I just like to use the desktop view. So when I click here, click verify certificate. You click on it, then you can now input your number. So the number always starts with SC. So you make sure that you write the number together. You copy the number together and put it in the search icon that is going to display now. So you just wait for it to load. So now you can see it's loading. Now you can verify your SCULM certificate now. So if you register it by yourself or any agents register for you, you can easily verify from here. So I will start by typing SC. It's capital letter SC. Then I will just paste the code. Paste. Then I will search. So once you search and it's coming out, that is to show you that your SCULM certificate has been registered on the portal. Or if it's not showing here, you have to contact your agent. It may be an error, or it may be that the certificate is not original. So if you want to register a SCULM, you can contact us on Gifted Computer Technology today. We can help you. You can see now this one has been registered. This is Prepared Nigeria Enterprise. You can see now this has been confirmed. So this is how you can confirm it. Another way that you can confirm is to scan the QR code on your certificate. You can easily scan this QR code on your certificate to confirm your SCULM certificate. You can scan it to confirm if it's registered or not. So if you want us to help you to register your SCULM, you deliver within 5 to 7 working days. So you can scan this QR code to confirm your SCULM. So if you want us to help you to register your SCULM, we deliver within 5 to 7 working days. We help you to process it. Just DM us on our WhatsApp, Instagram, or Facebook page. Thank you for watching.